Hello friends, welcome to my famous creative channel to watch more innovative videos on DuckDB using Streamlit. As you know, DuckDB integrates with various tools and libraries for data visualization, enabling users to visualize data stored and processed with DuckDB. Matplotlib is used in DuckDB. Data can be loaded into Pandas data frame and then visualized using Matplotlib for basic plotting. For more advanced statistical graph using DuckDB. DuckDB is used for very fast analytical queries. Today we are going to see interactive video. Today's video is about Power BI as a code demo for DuckDB. So let us go through the program code. Libraries needed for the program: DuckDB database. Read only false you can assign and you can change the data set. If you want to change the data set, you can write read only false, then select man timestamp and means timestamp, then the query to filter month timestamp, download Python and download, and graph is of statistical analysis. So here we can see monthly download, line graph, and so I will execute the program. So we are going to see analytic graphs using DuckDB. This is a line graph, monthly download over time, what download you have done up till now from the internet. Then over time, this graph is of over time, Python version over time. Yes, fine. Yes, we can see here. Now 2019 to 2023, I will make changes. Instead of 2023, I will make 2022. Yes, changes have been done. Yes, fine. We can see here changes has been done. Now I will make 2022 to 2020. Yes, changes has been made. Fine. Now again we'll go to 2023, but instead of 12 we will see 10. Yes, fine. So successfully done with analytics graph with using DuckDB, using Streamlit about Power BI. I hope you like this video. This is about the uses, total download, and this is showing. Fine. iPad, I am not using iPad. This is my configuration of my system. 64 GB RAM is there. So this is about to So for latest update about DuckDB, I will be back with more and more creative videos on DuckDB and using different statistical analysis, different graph, interactive graph, dashboard. So for latest update about DuckDB, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Hope so. I will be back with Node.js and if possible React.js, but it will take some time. So keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.